What is up, guys? Vault Brothers here. We just got 2 packs of Prismatic Evolutions from a Whatnot giveaway. I love the artwork on these. We're going to open them right here on the show. Let's see what we get. So these are the very first packs that we have ever opened here on our show. We're so excited to finally start doing this and getting our content out there. We look forward to bringing you many more videos. We also have a Whatnot store, and you can find the link to our store on our homepage here on Facebook. Most of the cards that we pull from these videos will be for sale on our Whatnot, so stay tuned for those shows. But for now, let's get into this pack. Drum roll, please. Not exactly what we're looking for, but you know what? We will take it. Guys, don't forget, if you're having fun, go ahead and like this video, and let's get into this next pack. Finished off with the Glaceon. Not bad. We'll definitely take it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.